Spaces have a premium when using Microsoft Project, and if you don't use the timeline, you can always remove it. But in this video, I'll show you the settings you can use to change the default view to exclude or include the timeline in Microsoft Project.
For details of our half-day and full-day training on Microsoft Project, see the description below. Now, let's return to Alan.
Okay, so here I've started Microsoft Project, and I'm clicking New and double-clicking on Blank Project. And what opens is the ribbon bar at the top, the timeline view in the middle, and the Gantt chart at the bottom. Now, I know I can drag and drop the timeline view out of the way, but I'd rather it wasn't there in the first place, so here's how I'd make sure of that. I'm going to the File tab, and then I'm looking for Options. Now, depending on your screen resolution, you may need to click More before you see the choice for Options. This brings up the Project Options dialog box, and usually the General tab will be selected, but if not, that's the one we pick. We're then looking for the Project View section. The default entry for this is Gantt with Timeline, which is what we were seeing when we started a new project plan a moment ago. When I drop this option down, I can see multiple choices, but the one I'm interested in is just Gantt Chart. And then I click OK. Now let's see if that's worked. If I start a new project plan, what I get to see is the ribbon bar and only the Gantt chart. I don't get the timeline as I did previously. And that's because the default view is now just set to Gantt chart in the Options section of Microsoft Project. Well, I hope you found that useful, and if you did, just imagine what it would be like to attend a full day's training with me on Microsoft Project. I deliver bespoke training courses in classroom situations where we really concentrate on the elements of Microsoft Project that are important to you and your business. If getting your team together in one place, of course, is problematic, then I can deliver across Zoom as well. Either way, spending that amount of time immersed in the MS Project really elevates your skill sets, which in turn is good for your business. If you'd like to know more about these formal courses, or anything else for that matter, then my contact details are on screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye now.